Okay, this tutorial is for Blender 2.82, but anything within the 2.8 version is applicable, even previous version of Blender. This is to show you how you can apply multiple shaders or colors in a single object. Alright, so let's start with modeling the cube so that we can have separate parts of it that we can apply different colors. So super basic, very simple, very easy. Alright, so let me just do some extrusion. Alright, and just to kind of show you that we have different parts, segments of the cube. Alright, now we'll go to our shading. We're also going to switch to Look Dev. You can also go to Eevee if you want to, so you actually get a preview of what it'll look like done. Okay, so first thing is that rule of thumb is if you're going to be using a color that's going to be majority of the object, you want to apply that first. If it's just equal distribution of the color, then you can just apply it to that particular spot. So let's say for this one we want this base color to be green, and then we will add those other parts or segments and give it a different color. Okay, so if I hit tab here to go to edit mode, let me turn on my screencast again right there. So I'm going to hit alright, I'm going to hit tab. Okay, and then we have different sections right here. So let's say I want to change all this, some of these faces to different colors. So first thing to do is, while the object's selected, make sure you go to the shader panel right here. And right here it says material, and you get to see a plus and a minus button right here to add or get rid of material that is applied to the object. So here I can double click this to give it a name. So I'm just going to put the color name for it, so green. And these are all under the principle BSDF. This is Blender's equivalent to a super shader, where you don't have to go specific like a Lambert or Phong or any of this shaders previously. It's how you manipulate your shader here, then you get a different result. So I'm going to click the plus sign, okay? And I have an empty spot. I'm going to click new. I'm going to call this one blue. Okay, change the base color to blue. All right, and then I'm going to add another shader. Let's call this one red. Change the base color to red. Okay, so now that those materials are prepared, then I can start selecting. Okay, so I'm going to go to faces here. I'm going to select this part and then this part right here. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to assign a blue color to this. All right. I'm going to select another one and then add a red material to it. All right. So you can see that's how easy it is to assign a different shade or color. Okay. And any of these nodes that I have selected right here, you can apply a material to it. So it's not just color. If I go to green and then apply, let's say quickly, I'm going to grab this texture and plug it. Okay, there it is. It's applied to it. Of course, we got to fix more stuff in there with the UV editing, but I think you get the point. So I'm going to go to blue, drag this one. So it's not just on base color. You can definitely add anything. All right.